So today I am unboxing this package that I bought on Amazon. So it comes with a comb, a tail comb, a styling brush. It comes with clips, another styling brush. So we get two styling brush. It comes with firm hole for lace wig. It comes with edge control. It comes with another clip. It comes with super glue for lace wig. It comes with hair wax. Okay, very nice. It also comes with straps band to keep down the wig when you glue it on. So we have two of these, and we have this one, so it's actually three. So this one is so when you put on the edges, a cap. How many? Comes with two also. Okay, very good. And it also comes with hair wax stick for a soft. So we have two of each, and it also comes with the hair press comb. Wow, this is a deal. This is a great deal. So I would definitely recommend this. And here is the iron, the type of iron that I received. It comes with the comb on it, so you can use it with this, and you can just use the nice. Very nice. I'm gonna plug it in and see what happened here. Let's power it on. Alright, so it works. 2, 3. So it have 3 mode, which is good. So there you have it, guys. These are all that comes inside of this little box. You have a full package. If you have lace wig, I definitely recommend this for you.